Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos and videos in Samsung Galaxy A16 device. I'm going to opening my gallery app and then I'm going to deleting some random photos from my gallery. And now if you accidentally deleted something from your gallery app, don't worry, you can easily recover your deleted photos and videos within 30 days. And here's how to do it. All you have to need, go ahead and open your gallery app, and from gallery tap on this hamburger menu. Here tap on recycle bin, and in recycle bin all of your deleted photos and videos will be stored for 30 days. And after 30 days, your deleted photos and videos will be permanently deleted, and then you won't be able to recover your deleted items. So from this recycle bin, tap on edit and select those photos and videos you want to restore, and just tap on restore, and those selected photos and videos will be restored to your gallery picture section. So that's how you can actually recover deleted photos and videos. Thanks for watching.